This, ladies and gentlemen, look at the Jolly Ranchers in there. Look at that pour. Watermelon Jolly Rancher Margarita. Now watch this. We grab some watermelon Jolly Ranchers. It's a margarita, so what does margarita go with? Tequila. That is correct. A bit of tequila in there. Okay, look at that pour. Wow, look at the aim on that, huh? Now we shake, shake, shake. They ain't gonna infuse that fast, but you get the idea. Put in some ice cubes, delicious looking ice cubes. Look how clear those ice cubes are. Come behind with a little squeeze of lime juice. All right, squeeze of lime juice, beautiful. Now a little simple syrup, which is weird considering that we have a candy base, but guess what? You can never have too much sweetness, because I'm a little sweet. Not you, black community, because that have two meanings. You know what I mean. All right, come behind with a little lime to get the rim nice and moist, and then you run that through to your salt, so you got a beautiful, nice salt rim, okay? And then you pour in our delicious mix, beautiful, drink responsibly, okay? You pour, get your little lime on the side, beautiful! Yes, sir, delicioso.